Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini kita mau coba naik LRT.
Iya benar sekali. Coba
Ikuti
aja.
kita ya, sip. Di lumayan jauh jalannya.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. If love is all we'll ever trust, yeah. No,